everyone, welcome to my kitchen. From last few videos I've been getting requests that can you please share how you make your chai, because I'm sure in my other videos you guys must have seen me how I make it, but I never show you step by step because I make my chai with the 2% milk. And in my other video somebody also asked where I mentioned that I'm using the vitamin D milk. So they say, what is that equivalent in India? So here in state we have whole milk, that is vitamin D, 2% milk, 1% milk, as well as the fat-free milk. So in India I know that either you have buffalo milk or the cow milk. So that would be the vitamin D milk, that would be the whole milk. And let's say if I'm at somebody's house, if they ask me to make any of my recipe, I can make it like that, no problem at all. If they ask me to make a chai, I'm in trouble. The reason is I need to have my measuring cup. There is no way I can make my chai without the measuring cup. I can't just like pour milk and sugar and think that it's gonna be perfect. No, I can't make chai like that. So because see, everybody's cup is different, right? I mean, I have three sizes of cup. I have this one, that one, and this one. So my measuring cup is this one. So before I planned this video, I was like, okay, you know, just for the reference, I need to tell you guys how much milk I'm using. So basically that is the 1 cup. It's 250 ml. It's a 1 cup of milk I'm using it. And you know, I need to have that cup to the sugar ratio. So that's why if I go to somebody's house and if they ask me to make chai, so if I'm coming to your house, guys, please don't ask me to make chai because 99% is not gonna be perfect. So let's go ahead and start with this video. I'm gonna share with you how I make it. So here I'm taking 1 cup of 2% milk. Now let's say if you are making tea with the vitamin D, the whole milk, then you want to do half and half. So let's say if I'm making 1 cup, I want to take half cup of water, half cup of milk. And the way I make it is, let's pretend this is the vitamin D. So I take half and half, and then I pour both of them at the same time, water as well as the milk. I don't wait until the water boils, and I don't do it that way. This is the way I do it. And even with the whole milk, I just pour like milk and the water at the same time. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my chai in there. So with the chai, I don't need a measurement. That I can just put it, you know, it's basically I just kind of lightly cover the top part, like I don't see the milk. That's my measurement basically. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the sugar. Now again, with the sugar I have to have the measurement, and I'm using the half a tablespoon of measurement here. So with the 1 cup I'm gonna add 2, so basically 1 tablespoon. So that's it. Now with this, I know my chai will be perfect. For my chai, I have to have the ginger. I can't have my chai without the ginger at all. So most of the time, you know, I add ginger as well as the mint. Now mint, sometime if I don't have it, that's fine. And if I don't have anything, not ginger, not the mint, then I had to have the masala. This is the chai masala. You can get it from any Indian store. And even let's say I'm adding the masala, then I add the masala right now. I don't wait until it's boiled or anything. So one thing you need to remember with the ginger is, I know some people add ginger when they are boiling the water. So in my case, even if I'm adding the water into my chai, I don't add ginger first. I wait until my chai is boiling, and once it's boiled, then I add the ginger. You never want to add the ginger before. So here I grate the ginger, and now as you can see the chai is boiling. So at this point I'm gonna add the ginger. Okay, so as you can see the chai is boiling, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add the ginger. So you want to add the ginger at this point. Also I'm gonna add some few leaves of mint. And now at this point you can just let it boil, because you know, as you can see the color right now, it's not as strong as I like it. So I'm just gonna let it boil for just a few seconds here. So that's it. As you can see, chai is all ready. So that's it friends, my chai is all ready. So with this measurement your chai will be medium sweet. It's not gonna be overly sweet. So if you like more on the sweeter side, you can always add more sugar into it. And I'm sure 75% of the people in India must be drinking tea every single day, but everybody has their own way of making it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, please leave the comments below, and I'm gonna just go ahead and enjoy this tea, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.